In the 5th position, we interact with His Excellency Abdi Guyo, leading the Isiolo County government at a rating of 60.9%. And for these ones, the top 5, I'm going to note some of the achievements, which include for him and his county government the development of the Isiolo modern export abattoir, also revitalization and modernization of the Isiolo Central Market, upgrading of the Isiolo International Airstrip, and also improvement of water access and borehole development, which is among the issues you'll note were coming out within the various regions within the northeastern region. Within the 4th position, Her Excellency Gladys Wanga brings in Homa Bay County government with a rating of 61.8%, making Homa Bay County ranked 4th within the governance index. And among her achievements, health transformation within Homa Bay County, educational infrastructural boost. We're also noting blue economy and fishing investment, particularly with noting within the Nyanza region, this was among the key issues, which means there's something being done there that is being realized. The other matter is concerning women and youth economic empowerment, which also is giving particularly for various county governments that have addressed that matter, which is very key with unemployment and underemployment being an issue, and a finding that we found within this report. Within the 3rd position, we have Narok County government coming in under the leadership of His Excellency Patrick Olentutu with a rating of 62.5%. Among the achievements noted, revenue collection surge within the county that would come out from matters of on-source revenue and also addressing matters of corruption and fiscal management. In the 2nd achievement, critical road network expansion within the county, water project expansion, tourism and wildlife management within the county. That would come to be among the achievements that were alluded to, and ranking Narok County 3rd within the governance performance index. In the 2nd position, Kirinyaga County government is 2nd within the county governance index. Her Excellency Anne Waiguru leading this particular county, and among the achievements that were noted is a world-class aggregation and industrial park, launching it and ensuring this does move on within the county. The other thing that was noted is universal health coverage, also advancement in digital government through the launch of My County app, also comprehensive tarmacking within Kirinyaga County government. Leading the pack here, we have the Western Region County of Kakamega under the leadership of His Excellency FCPA Fernandes Barasa with a rating of 65%, bringing out Kakamega as being among the top in matters of governance within this index. And among the achievements noted is matters concerning universal health coverage, particularly with the scaling up of the Kakamega Care, industrial park development to create that substantial progress within the county, also modern market construction and agricultural revitalization, particularly with that finding that would be able to guide us and see that there is an issue, particularly in matters of one cash crop being disregarded within the Western region, and also the collapse, or rather the perceptive collapse of the sugar industry within the Western region. Also, within that range, we find the Kisii County government led by His Excellency Simba Arati, also within the top score with a rating of 65%. And among the achievements noted within Kisii County is an aggregated revenue growth, also an urban infrastructure upgrade within Kisii, and also health investment. Those are among the things that were noted particularly here, and also agricultural empowerment within Kisii County. This would be among the matters that were noted in this particular report that would be able to rank Kisii County up there together with Kakamega County, who are leading the slot in matters of the top best performing county governments, according to this report from us and the findings that we are able to achieve. Among the things we were able to note in this particular study is that service delivery is king, particularly governors who improved in their healthcare, the roads, water, and agricultural sector scored highest particularly. And also, there was something concerning the fiscal prudence and trust, because we noted that governors who digitized revenues and showcased discipline enjoyed an amplified public confidence trend supported by improved on-source revenue collected within the counties. Also, strategic vision differentials, particularly leaders who have prioritized industrial parks, digital hubs, demonstrated that long-term planning is recognized and valued by citizens. The other finding that we were able to note was concerning the matters of context, rather. Governors, particularly in ASOL regions, are highly rated for prioritizing one piece. The other thing is water supply, and particularly pastoralist economies.